This is Government Postgraduate College, Atak, and I am Muhammad Ali, lecturer in English. Today I am going to revise the meanings of difficult words that I discussed in my previous lecture. Let us start with the words and their meanings. So the first word is microphone. This microphone is a noun. It means it is an instrument that changes sound waves into electrical current. It is used in recording or broadcasting speech, music, etc. Next word is which. This word which, it is a relative pronoun. It is used to refer to something previously or earlier mentioned. Next word, rise. This word rise, here it is noun. It means increase or spread. Next word is so. This word so is an adverb. It means as a result or therefore. Next word, that is much. Much is an adverb. It means greatly or a lot. Next word, irresponsible. This word is an adjective. It means careless or negligent or immature. Next word, conjecture. Conjecture is a noun. It means guess or speculation. Next word, meteor. This meteor spellings are METEOR, meteor. It is a small mass of matter that enters the Earth's atmosphere from outer space, making a bright streak or line across the night sky as it is burnt up. The other meaning is shooting star. Next word is through. The through, here it is a preposition. As we know that a preposition is used to join two words. The meanings of through are, it may be in or during or in the course of. Next word is orbit. Orbit is a noun. It means track or path or flight path or course. Next word is as. As is a conjunction. As we know that a conjunction is used to join words. It means like or the same as. The next word is many. Many, it is an adjective. It means a lot of or several or various. The next word is believe. Believe is a verb. It means to accept as true or trust or consider. The next word is weapon. Weapon is a noun. It means stick or thing designed or used for causing physical harm. Example, gratia means, for example, bomb, gun, knife or sword. Next word is nor. Nor is conjunction and it is also used as an adverb. It is used after neither or not. The next word is spaceship. Spaceship, it is a noun. It means spacecraft or rocket ship. The next word is certain. Certain is an adjective. it means sure, convinced, or firm. And I would like to end my presentation now.